This is the Lockpicking Newbie, and I'm here with LP and Junior, enjoying a lovely morning. Hello, Junior.
Hello.
What I have for you today is this American 1100. I've done something to this lock, which I hope you find interesting. It is stock. It's a 5-pin lock, but now it's a 6-pin lock. And I'll show you a little bit about how that happened. Also, the reason for the 6-pin lock is Chaz's lockpicking. Chaz has gotten to 200 subscribers, so congratulations, Chaz. Well deserved. You may remember Chaz sent me an awesome package, not only with the 7640 Lotto lock that Starry Lock passed around, but also a lot of other cool items, including a beer opener, which is now our go-to. So anyway, part of the challenge for Chaz is a 6-pin lock. Well, before we get into that too much, let's just pick the lock first of all. So I will go ahead and use my traditional 40 thousandths, 50 thousandths pry bar, and we'll come in, and I'm using a number 1 hook in 18 thousandths. All right, so this guy kind of likes to be picked from the middle. That was pin 5 or 4, I think. I think I might be starting off very badly already. All right, got a little click out of 6. 5 feels okay. 4 feels good. Coming in towards the front. A little click on 3. Click on 2 and a false set. And I got deep in the false set with a click on 1. And what is holding us up? I'm at the back. Back to 6, counter rotation. Got that little click. Let's try the rest of the pins again. Up here to 3, little click there. Little click on 2. I just overset 2 and 1, so let's put those back the way they're supposed to be. Back into the false set. Trying 1, no. Let's try 1 some more. And we're open. All right. Well, I think I made your 3-minute requirement. So while I am talking about how this is keyed, Junior, will you go grab that small Phillips that's up there with the gutting stuff? Yeah. I knew I was forgetting something on gutting. So the keys here, this is the original key that came with the lock. You can see the key code is 67327. And what I did was I ordered up a custom cut key from, oh my gosh, All Padlocks. And maybe it's on the table over here. And what I did is I ordered it with the same key code, but 1 extra pin and 1 extra digit. So the required spacing, you're supposed to go no more than 4 changes. So I had it keyed up as 67324. And when you look at the keys, if we start from the back, this is really awesome. You can see that they cut more points, but where the pins go actually lines up just right. So you've got the 67327 in the first 5, and then you've got a 3 in the last one. All right, thanks for that screwdriver, son. Okay, so almost had a gutting disaster there. Thank you for Junior for being here. I think my last gutting video, I did something similar, except I didn't have the C-clip tool. So much for preparation on the Lockpicking Newbie front here. Okay, we've got a standard American with the nice security nut and a little plate and the screw. I'll let you guys see that. Okay, and then it's a standard American cylinder. Now you can see if I put the 5-pin key in, no joy. But when I put the 6-pin key in, it activates. And I'll just do a quick little close-up here so you can see all 6 chambers are pinned. And the other requirement that Chaz has is to have at least 3 security drivers. So since this is an American lock with mostly stock American pins, I think we know that's going to be satisfied. Okay. I'll just dump the key pins. That was 1, 2, 4. There's 3, 5, and 6. Okay, so there's your key pins. Standard core there. And now we'll do the drivers. So here we go. I'm at the back right now. So this will be 6. It's a spool. If I can get it to focus. I'll show these a couple different ways in this video, so fear not. 5's a serrated. 4 is a serrated. 1 is a serrated spool. 2 is a serrated spool. And 3 is serrated. The springs are all standard, as is the actual lock body here. Okay, so looking at the pins, we've got the traditional American serrated key pins for the pins that are long enough. We got a serrated spool in 1, a serrated spool in 2, a serrated pin in 3, serrated in 4, serrated in 5, and a serrated spool rather in 6. All right, so there you have it. I modified a number of these locks for practice. I wanted to show, I used this pinning kit from Mr. Lock. I think it was $24, and it's got a bunch of pins that work for both master and American locks. And if you look at some of my other videos, you'll see these also work in ABIS padlocks, which is super cool and weird. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed seeing how I modified this lock for practice. Chaz, congratulations again on 200 subscribers. Junior, thanks for getting a screwdriver for old dad here.
You're welcome.
Okay, and that's all I have for you today. stay safe, stay healthy, and have a good day. This is the Lockpicking Newbie.